Hello, I'm Rick Bell with Build Your Own Watch. I'm really excited to walk you through the assembly of your first watch kit. Maybe it isn't your first, maybe you've done it before, but I'm excited to help you guys, and maybe gals, put your first watch together. You know, this is going to be pretty informal. We're not going to go through how a movement works completely. I'm going to share some knowledge with you as we go through the video. The more important knowledge I'm going to share with you is how to put it together and really what could be the areas where you can make mistakes and where I have made mistakes, frankly, in the past. And honestly, this was something I was looking for when I first started building watches way back when. I didn't have a video to go on. I didn't have a wonderful toolkit that was supplied to me that had all the different tools I was going to need. So I really got to thank Esslinger.com for helping us with that. That really makes this project a lot easier. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm excited to do it. It's going to be really fun. I think this is going to be a neat thing for you to try. And I'm really just so grateful for all our buyers, everybody that's supported us with the project. It's just been huge for me. It has been a dream to start a watch brand. And not only that, start a watch brand that services the DIY watch enthusiast. I hope you're going to learn some interesting things, and I just can't wait to start. So let's get going. Before we dive right into the build, I did forget one thing that I do want to mention that I should have mentioned earlier, and that is a book, Beginner's Watchmaking by Tim Swike. Tim, if you're watching, you're welcome for the plug. But this is a book that I read when I started building watches for myself way back when, and it is a fantastic book that really dives deep into the movement, how the movement works on a mechanical and automatic, hand winding or automatic movement. It covers that. It covers some advanced watchmaking techniques. And really, a lot of the techniques that are in this book, you're not going to use during this build because a lot of the techniques were designed for you putting together a watch that maybe you don't have parts for. And all our parts fit. So I'd say half of this book might not be relevant to the build, but a very interesting read. And it's where I started, so I have to mention it. It certainly isn't required. I'm going to show you everything you need to know to put the Series 1 watch kit together. But if you want to dive a little bit deeper, this is a great book. And I know it looks imposing, but it is actually mostly pictures and not as much words. So it's not as bad as it looks. But again, Beginner Watchmaking by Tim Swike. I highly recommend it. I'm going to put a link to this in the video, and order it if you want. I do want to mention the first buyer of the Series 1 watch kit. When we go live, I will ship this book to you free of charge. So good luck, and thank you. If you're the first buyer, you're going to get this book for free in the mail with your Series 1 watch kit. Thank you.